Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Alana, and today we are going to be reviewing a stylish yet practical footwear option from the elevator shoe company, Chamaripa. Chamaripa is a leading brand in the world of elevator shoes, known for its innovative approach to combining style, comfort, and functionality. For over a decade, Chamaripa has been dedicated to helping individuals elevate their height and confidence with its expertly crafted footwear. Today we're going to be checking out the black Oxford dress elevator shoes, so let's see what they're all about. These shoes offer a luxurious feel and classic silhouette made to enhance your style and wardrobe. They are perfect for formal occasions or even everyday wear, made to enhance your style and comfort. The inner sole of the shoe is made for long-lasting use and comfort, so you can walk in them all day without having your feet hurt. Now let's talk about the height increasing feature. These shoes discreetly elevate your height up to 2.76 inches and offer a taller, more confident appearance. Unlike clunky platforms, Chamaripa's technology is seamlessly integrated with its sleek and stylish design. My boyfriend has been wearing these Chamaripa elevator dress shoes for a while now and loves that they increase his height discreetly. He finds them really comfortable to walk in for long periods of time. Unlike other shoe competitors out there, these are the best ones he's had so far. Whether you're walking into a business meeting or casually wearing these shoes, they are perfect for enhancing your height, style, and confidence. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to share and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay stylish.